Welcome back. Today we're making these delicious pumpkin cheesecake snickerdoodles. Now there's a lot going on in these cookies, but they are seriously so delicious. We're going to start by whisking together our dry ingredients, which includes flour, baking soda, salt, and a bunch of warm spices. We're going to then set that aside and cream together our unsalted butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. Once that's lightened in color and has become nice and fluffy, we're going to add in our pumpkin puree and our vanilla extract. We're going to mix this together until combined, and then we're going to very slowly mix in our dry ingredients. You want to mix this on a low speed because you don't want to overwork the dough. You want to mix just until everything has come together. Now, in order to stuff these cookies, we need to chill our cookie dough. So once our dough is made, we're going to use a 3 tablespoon cookie scoop, or you can just use a spoon, and we're going to place these onto a lined baking sheet and pop them in the fridge. One batch of cookie dough makes about 10 cookies, and you want to pop those in the fridge for about an hour. While the cookie dough chills, you want to work on your cheesecake filling, which is really just cream cheese, sugar, and a little bit of vanilla, and you're going to scoop out 1 tablespoon of filling onto a tray. Now you want to pop these into the freezer because they need to be firm to the touch before you can put them inside the cookies. After whisking together my cinnamon sugar, it was finally time to stuff our cookies. So I flattened out 1 ball of cookie dough, placed the chilled cheesecake filling inside, and did my best to cover it with the cookie dough. This can be a little bit challenging, and if you have a little bit of the cheesecake filling peeking through, just put that part at the bottom of the cookie and it will bake up just fine. Once you have rolled out your cookie, you want to toss it in that cinnamon sugar and then place it on a lined baking tray. Be sure the cookies are about 3 inches apart because these cookies really spread as they bake up, and so they need a little bit of extra room. And while these cookies are absolutely delicious when they're warm from the oven, they taste somehow even better when they're stored in the fridge and they're cold. The full recipe for these cookies is up on Chelsweets.com, and the link is included in the video description below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, happy baking!